everyone, welcome back to our channel. As you can see in the title of the video, I'm going to be organizing my crafting supplies today. As you can see, this closet is total chaos. About half of it is my crafting stuff. So that's what we're going to be focusing on today, and then we'll get to the rest of the closet another day. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get started. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I have in the closet that we're going to be organizing today as part of my crafting supplies. As you can see, I have two Cricut machines. I have one up there and one down here, and they're just thrown. Obviously, that one is just thrown up there. We have a lot of Cricut supplies, so all of this. I also have the Cricut heat press. This is all my Cricut vinyl, which I got something to organize that as well. All of this is crafting supplies, scrapbooking supplies. I have some paint. And then this whole cart back here is full of crafting stuff as well. More paint, more vinyl, just random crafting bits and bobs. I got this bookshelf. I think it's 5 shelves. That is just tall enough to fit in the closet underneath these. So we're going to be putting that in the closet, and we're going to be using that in addition to this to be organizing our crafting supplies. I have some more crafting supplies that's not in the closet that I was using, so this all has to go. This is my scrapbooking caddy, but it's a little disorganized at the moment. Some containers that I got. This is my Cricut mats and just a ton of paper and scrapbooking stuff, Cricut stuff, and my scrap vinyl, which also needs to be severely organized. So that's what we're going to be working on today, guys. I'm going to start out by just kind of taking everything out. That way I can vacuum, put in the cubes and the bookshelf, see where I want it to go, and then I'll kind of organize everything by category, and then we'll put everything back. This side of the closet's been emptied, but when I tell you I can't even walk in this room, like, it's crazy. It's already full of other stuff too, so I kind of just threw everything out, and then we'll organize it in a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum and then put in the bookshelf and the cube. So the only bad thing about this closet is it's kind of got this like wasted space back here, but I want to use it. I think this might be okay. I'm trying to decide if I want to flip it and put this one in the corner and this one here. I'm not sure. So my lovely parents gifted this to me. I had actually asked for it because I needed something to organize my vinyl. I think it's from Amazon, but we're gonna see how it works. It has like a space for you to roll the vinyls, and then they'll just be like one on top of the other. And I'm gonna hang it on the inside of the door. That way when the closet is closed, you can't really see it. So yeah, we're gonna see how that works. I really like it. I was able to fit pretty much all of my permanent and removable vinyl on the front. It is actually double-sided, as you can see. So I'm thinking about putting my HTV vinyl on the back. I don't have as much, so I'm not sure, but we'll see. But I really like the way it looks. Okay, so I finished putting a few other things in the cubes and I think we're pretty much done. So I put my Cricut machines on top of both of them just because it seems like the sturdiest. I have my Cricut supplies here. This is my scrapbook that I'm working on. I have my markers here and then all of my scrapbooking supplies. I put these miscellaneous paint things there, and then my Cricut cables, and then just some miscellaneous Cricut stuff that didn't really fit anywhere else. I have my paint, some extra supplies, paintbrushes, and then miscellaneous stuff down there. And then over here I have my other Cricut machine, my heat press. I need to get a couple more of these to put maybe one up there. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these cubes for yet. And then in the back two cubes, I just put some of my books that I don't really read, but I want to keep. Some of them are, you know, sentimental or just older books that I want to keep. And then over here, I put a little hook for all my mats. And then these didn't really fit anywhere else. So I just have some extra canvases, unused canvases. One of them is partially used. And then all of my cardstock Cricut paper. That thing is really big and didn't really fit anywhere else either. So I'm just gonna tuck it there in the corner. So it looks really good. I still have some space. Might utilize it for some of this over here. And then I also finished putting all of my HTV vinyl on the back. And I did not realize how much vinyl I have. So gotta get to crafting. So yeah, it turned out really good. I forgot to mention, in this cube right here, I have like scraps of vinyl. I have to go through it because it's literally completely full, and some of it might be enough to put on here, but I'll do that a little bit later. I gotta go through that whole bin. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!